To a story now of challenges retailers are also facing accessing healthier food options and the price they have to pay. The details in this report.
Eat junk food and pay the price. What price? Hospital bills and medication for hypertension and diabetes. But there's another price, that of healthy foods.
Although we know that it is healthy, we don't have the money to purchase it all the while. So we go to sometimes pick up the one that we can afford.
Shoppers like this one stop to think twice before picking up brown rice versus white rice. Brown rice is generally more nutritious than white rice, but also more costly. Some do the same with fruit bowls. And Sophia here is left to laugh at how much of her budget is burnt from just a soya milk and cereal. Assistant branch manager at Brooklyn Supermarket, Cecil Walters, said the outlet often seeks discounts from the product suppliers, but
it's not all the while we can do it, because not all the while these companies have the specials and the discounts to give us.
Mr. Walters admitted that healthier foods burn pockets more.
The healthier stuff might cost a little bit more, but the people who are thinking health, they're gonna go to it.
And then there are not many options.
Healthy foods like for vegetarians, for diet conscious people, things like that. I mean, the variety is not as wide as the regular food stuff.
What does this mean?
You might have to walk that extra mile to live or to eat healthier.
But this is not only about adults shopping in supermarkets. The pressure also falls on students buying lunch at school.
When they talk about nutritious meal, it comes at a higher cost compared to the regular things that they normally sell, the junk foods.
The Healthy Caribbean Coalition believes people living with diabetes, hypertension, and other non-communicable diseases should be able to correctly and easily identify unhealthy foods. It says an octagonal warning label like this can help save lives. Meanwhile, the Jamaica Youth Advocacy Network is putting the focus back on availability, especially in schools.
The idea is to have more healthy foods coming into the school so that they're able to make more informed choices about what it is that they are purchasing, what it is that they're seeing, what is it they're consuming.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.